Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So the holiday season is upon us, and if you're looking to travel with your little one, then keep watching to know some tips and tricks to make your journey more enjoyable and comfortable. So a general rule of thumb is that the number of clothes should be 1.5 times more than the number of days that you'll be traveling. And of course, I'm sure all moms will have their own routine down and keep your toddler's needs in mind. My son loves clothes with transportation and travel on them. So if you are someone who likes those things, check out these brands, Cat Kids, and of course H&M stocks them so well. So we're taking some of them for our travel, and you do want to keep in mind the weather. Since we were traveling to a beach, we are taking a lot of beachy clothes. One of the hacks that I love to do while traveling with kids is that I keep these little pods or capsules, if you may, ready while they're going to the beach or the pool, and it has all the essentials: the sunscreen, the cap, swim diapers, a bottle of water will go in it, and that way they can just pick it up and go. And more often than not, it's dad who takes them, so he sometimes tends to forget things. So this way no one has to bother you when you're on your vacation, and they can just pick up the bag and go and enjoy themselves, and everything is in its place. And they also have an extra bag, to dump the wet things. So try it next time. Keeping the airplane outfit ready the night before is a really cool hack. Choose something that does not have a zipper or drawstrings. That way, the kids can dress themselves if your toddler can do that, and some slip-on shoes. And then that's one less thing for you to do in the morning. Looking forward to a tantrum-free flight? Then make sure to pack the toy bag right. The key here is to take some essentials that they are already very familiar with, so that they're comfortable and they feel good. And the other things can be new items. So here I'm taking these early discovery books. We've been reading a lot of time, and I have been talking to him about the beach that we're going to be going to, and the things that we're going to be doing over there. So he's really excited about these. These are really nice books, and we have some crayons as well, and I'll be taking a few sheets of paper. These are nice crayons. They don't spoil the interiors of the plane or anything else. And these toys we never ever leave behind at home. These are our bath toys, and this little car he's had forever and ever. I'm also be taking a surprise toy just in case something happens. So this is a new toy that he hasn't seen. So let's see how the flight works out. And this is our toy capsule, which he will be carrying himself in his backpack. So he has easy access to all his toys and books. The next hack is to pack everything in a packing cube. I seriously don't know how I packed before. The packing cubes, they are so amazing, a complete game changer in the packing thing. So if you still haven't checked them out, please do. They're available on Amazon. So my little one really likes to snack. I'm weirdly enough, I'm the funny mom who always has lots of food with her, and he's the happiest and most comfortable when he has food to eat. It keeps him occupied. So I'm taking a lot of different things over here, and of course, no journey can ever be complete without grandmama's laddus. Keep it a healthy mix of sweet and fruit and all of those things. So yeah. Traveling with kids, it becomes necessary that we carry medicines and cotton swabs and those things. So here I'm carrying some betadine swabs. These are great, no spillage, so that's amazing. And you get a cotton swab, and then you get an antiseptic. And we have to have funny band-aids, because when you get a boo-boo, then you need to have something to distract yourself. These are some mosquito patches that we carry. These are great. You just stick them on your t-shirt and you're good to go. Some antiseptic cream, some soframycin, arnica in case of pains and aches, and Kailas Jeevan, because hey, life is incomplete without that for me. So I'm carrying that. Vaseline, because good old Vaseline is always good for anything that you need. And this is a rescue balm. It's a very new concept. I really like it because it's good to smell, and it'll cure you of any insect bites, headaches, dryness, itchiness, anything really, it does come to your rescue. So I really like that. Some Disprin because I get severe headaches on the plane, and just some cotton in case you need them. So yeah, we're good to go with this. Another tip is to give yourself enough buffer time in case there's a delay, like our cab just decided not to arrive. So we still reached airport in time, and then yes, we were a little early, but then hey, we got a lot of time to play around with, and it was just better than being rushed. So yeah, give yourself some buffer time just in case something goes wrong.
For takeoff, your mobile phones must either be in the power off or flight mode. Other electronic devices.
I hope you enjoyed this video and have safe travels with your kids, and do let me know if you have any other hacks while traveling with your toddler. Happy holidays and thank you for watching.